A man has been arrested in relation to a seizure of over $5 million worth of counterfeit goods at a store in downtown Kingston today. The operation was carried out by members of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
When members of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigative Branch, CTOC, swooped down on 37 Luke Lane, Kingston on Thursday, the owners of Big Ras Enterprise were caught by surprise. Upon entering the store, the police found brands of all kinds: Gucci, Fendi, Burberry, and Tommy Hilfiger, just to name a few. The only problem is,
on close inspection, we discovered that almost 3/4 of the store has counterfeit items.
A rough estimate of the items seized are about to be seized here today.
On close inspection, we are still doing our counts. It could be about $5 million Jamaican dollars so far.
the counterfeit trade is big business and it's one the police and customs have been tackling. Last year, CTOC arrested and charged over 20 persons after seizing $1 billion worth of counterfeit shoes, among other items. But even as the authorities increase their efforts, Assistant Superintendent Barrett says the police have noticed a trend.
The fact that we were enforcing the Nike, the sneakers, the Gucci shoes, then they segue into clothing. And then at this location, you can see also where they mark the product with non-branded items. So when you come in this store now, then they would show you the branded products, but on the face of it, they are non-branded items,
It's a constant push and pull between smugglers and law enforcers, and there's no telling how much longer it will last, as the merchants continue to find creative ways to get counterfeit goods through the ports.
They are bringing in the counterfeit goods, and they might have, for example, a brand called a no-name brand, right? And then they have the sticker to cover the emblem. But when you come inside here and you purchase the item and you rip off that sticker, then you will see a Gucci or a Louis Vuitton or a Tommy Hilfiger logo.
So with one person set to face the courts next week for breaches of the Trademark Act, there are renewed calls for persons to desist from the practice.
And leave the brands alone, the major brands, unless you have permission to sell these brands.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.